A good wireless keyboard can enhance your productivity and overall computing experience. Whether you're a gamer, writer, or everyday user, a good wireless keyboard can enhance your productivity and overall computing experience. If you're also looking for one, then we've got you covered. Here is the list of some of the best wireless keyboards of 2024, shortlisted from renowned tech brands including Logitech, Vissles, and Cooler Master. Logitech Ergo K860. The Logitech Ergo K860 features a curved design, ergonomic keys, and a built-in wrist rest that enhances the productivity of users. This keyboard is equipped with up to 24 months of battery life on a single charge. This keyboard is perfect for heavy users. Specifications: wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Logitech unifying technology, ergonomic design with curved keys and built-in wrist rest. Up to 24 months of battery life, compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Logitech G915. The Logitech G915 is a high-performance wireless gaming keyboard that is integrated with several advanced features, including Romer G switches and customizable lighting. It offers up to 40 hours of battery life and a compact tankless design. Specifications: wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Logitech Lightspeed technology, Romer G switches with customizable lighting. Up to 40 hours of battery life, compact tankless design, compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Vissles V84. The Vissles V84 offers a compact wireless keyboard that is designed specifically for minimalists. It features a sleek design, low-profile keys, and up to 24 months of battery life. Specifications: wireless connectivity via Bluetooth, compact design with low-profile keys, up to 24 months of battery life, compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Cooler Master MK770. This wireless gaming keyboard is packed with several advanced features like Cherry MX switches and customizable lighting, which offers up to 40 hours of battery life and a sleek design. Specifications: wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Cooler Master proprietary technology, Cherry MX switches with customizable lighting, up to 40 hours of battery life, compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Logitech G915 TKL. The Logitech G915 TKL is a compact version of the G915, offering the same performance and features in a smaller package. Specifications: wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Logitech Lightspeed technology, Romer G switches with customizable lighting, up to 40 hours of battery life, compact tankless design, compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Tips and tricks: when choosing a wireless gaming keyboard, consider the following factors. Switch type: look for keyboards with reputable switch brands like Cherry MX or Romer G. Battery life: choose a keyboard with long battery life or fast charging capabilities. Customization: consider keyboards with customizable lighting and macro keys. Compatibility: ensure the keyboard is compatible with your operating system. Ergonomics: look for keyboards with ergonomic designs for comfort and productivity.